In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and accessing tab menu. Now you need to look for this shortcut called Floating Windows and click on it when your app is open. Then tap on this tiny window. As you can see now, I can use my app in this little window here. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use more options of pop-up view, click on those three dots and try all of them. If you want to access your app in full screen view, hold this lower line and drag it down. If you want to close it though, you can always swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!